Esa never told me, oh, bawal ka na
Yeah.
mag-Taco Tuesday or whatever, mag-interview ng mga girls or mag-joke ng ganito. Ano na lang siya, it's you adjust out of respect to your partner. You know what to say, what not to say. Parang hindi ka naniniwala sa akin.
Hindi.
Si Paolo ka ganun.
Hindi, he's taking advice from you.
Taking ako.
Kasi
ako.
you really know, you should know where to draw the line.
Yeah.
Kasi, diba? Right.
I mean, the line is invisible eh. It's so weird to talk about, ito pwede mo i-joke, ito bawal mo i-joke. You can't do that.
No.
You have to consider your partner whenever you say something, whenever you have to do something.
Because
Ano ba yan, Tony?
it's great.
Oh my
Ay, ano
God.
pala, tingnan mo naman yan.
No, pero alam mo, look, these are the wholesome content that Sam has now. But there was a time talaga na
Yes.
talagang
All
hard-hitting. Like this photo that we're gonna bring out right now na
my gosh.
talagang, wait lang, check natin
Parang
kung nandun
kinakabahan
na.
ako sa photo na.
Oo. No, dapat lang. Kasi ako rin, kinakabahan kung baka mapalitan yung rating natin dito eh. Ayun, no?
Oh.
I mean, like, back in the day,
Medyo safe pa yan.
medyo safe. But kasi naka-blur si
Kasi
Tony.
Kasi yung apples nag-sold out eh. Pagkatapos nito, lumakas yung sales ng buko. Tsaka ng apple dahil dito. Tumaas yung ekonomiya ng Pilipinas dahil dyan eh.